Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salem. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful gathers manually with your sewing machine. If you end up enjoying this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Let's get straight into it.
So guys, before you begin stitching on your main fabric, ensure that you pull down your stitch regulator lever. This is because the higher you go, the tinier your stitch becomes. The lower you go, the more loose your stitch becomes. So now we have to bring down the lever of our stitch regulator in order to get that loose stitch that we're looking for the gathers. We are going to go ahead to start running our stitch now, but ensure that when you start, you don't reverse, okay? The moment you start stitching, just keep going ahead. Don't reverse from the beginning of your fabric, except maybe when you get to the ending of your fabric, you can reverse there because that will be the ending point, okay? So by the time you are done, ensure that you tie one end of your stitch, okay, so that it's not going to pull out by mistake. After that, now we're going to go ahead to make the second stitch. We have succeeded in finishing the first stitch. You can see that even by default it's making the gathers by itself. By the time we are done and we start pulling now, it's going to be so very easy. So now we're going to go ahead and start our second stitch. Like I told you, don't forget that you are not supposed to reverse. So guys, we are done running our loose stitch on our fabric. As you can see, I'm just tying this end just to secure it, so that by mistake it won't go out, because if this goes out by mistake, you might have to start it all over from the beginning. Okay, can you see how our fabric is looking? It is already gathering by itself. So I run two stitch, as you can see here. We're going to go ahead now and start pulling. So I'm going to pull from that other end, so let me just go ahead and tie this part. Okay, tie one end of your stitch. So now, after tying the other end, we're going to go ahead now and start pulling, okay? And to do this, you are going to hold onto the upper thread, okay? Meaning that the thread that is facing you, you know the threads are two, the inner thread and the outer thread. You are going to hold on to the outer thread, just separate the inner thread from the outer thread. This is my inner thread here, and this is the outer thread. So it's the one that I'm going to be holding to pull right now. So on both thread, you're going to ensure that you are holding onto the outer thread like this. Okay, I hope you can see this very clearly. As you are holding it like this, just let go of the inner thread and just start pulling. Once you just pull, it is going to create, look at how beautiful this gathers is. So we're going to continue doing this. As you are pulling, you will use your other hand to just pull this to the other end like this, and then you still go ahead to pull this one like this. The more you do, you are having excess thread at this other end, but then your gathers is forming. Look at how beautiful this gathers is, guys. Look at how beautiful it is turning out. I'll continue doing this till I get to the end of my fabric. So guys, continue pulling gradually and be patient with this process, please, because if you are not patient and you are pulling with full force, it is going to cut your thread. If this thread should cut, you have lost your stitch already, and you have to go over again and start all over from the beginning, meaning that you have to go and run another loose stitch to start creating your gather. So please, as you are pulling, if your thread is stuck at any point, just be patient and try to dismantle it with your hand gradually and softly. By the time you are done passing that obstacle, you can now go ahead and start pulling. Okay, don't ever enforce the thread or any obstacle on your way as you pull. Okay, see how beautiful our gathers is forming. Just look at that. Look how beautiful our gathers is forming. Can you see how beautiful this is? So guys, as you can see, we are done with our gathers. Okay, it came out so beautifully well, you can agree with that. So by the time you are done, just go ahead and just knot it at this end and also knot it at the other end of your fabric. Okay, this is what it is looking like. It came out so beautifully well. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, I post new videos every Sunday. Okay guys, so turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on new tutorials. I have amazing tutorials scheduled to come up very soon, so don't miss out. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, support me. I am a growing YouTuber, and let's build this very big community together. Thank you so much for watching so far. I will see you in the next one. Bye.